It's a great pleasure to be with you this evening to deliver the Portal Trust annual lecture at Bayes Business School, and to do so in honour of an organisation like the V&A that believes in the transformative power of education.
The Portal Trust are a fantastic foundation trust who support particularly London young people, those who might again have experienced disadvantage, and they think about ways in bringing in the arts, but also giving them opportunities that might not otherwise be available to them.
We were here at Bayes Business School tonight for a lecture funded by the Portal Trust, and we heard about creativity in education and then had a really amazing discussion about how to facilitate that.
Really inspiring, incredible hearing about the history of the V&A, the power and importance of the creative arts, and some of the kind of developments and what they're doing in terms of children and creativity. How arts and science and technology are so critical to kind of development and education for young people, especially those young people who might be disadvantaged in some way.
The importance of creativity in the future, not just of the economy, but of well-being, of health, of the life of the imagination, and that being an entitlement for all, not for the few.